The diamond that should not exist. Scientists are terrified. What if I told you there's a diamond on Earth right now that breaks every law of physics we've ever known? A diamond that shouldn't be able to form anywhere in the universe, yet it's sitting in a vault, guarded like a nuclear weapon. Scientists won't talk about it on record. Gem Labs refuse to certify it. And the few people who've held it say something is seriously wrong with the after they do. This is the story of the diamond that should not exist, and why some of the smartest people on the planet are absolutely terrified of what it means. The first sighting, March 2004. A small mining company in central Brazil pulls something out of an alluvial deposit that makes the foreman drop his radio. It's black. Jet black. But not like any carbonado anyone's ever seen. It weighs 316 carats uncut, bigger than a golf ball, and when they shine a light through it, the light doesn't come out the other side. It just disappears. They send it to the GI lab in California for basic testing. 3 days later, the lab ships it back with no paperwork, no report, just a single post-it note on the box that says, "Do not open under direct light." That's when the rumors start. Don't forget to share, comment and subscribe Gemstone Academy YouTube channel. What makes a diamond impossible? Here's the problem. We know exactly how diamonds form. There are 2 ways, and only 2 ways, that have ever been proven. 1. 1,000 miles beneath your feet, under insane pressure and heat for billions of years. Or 2. In the explosive birth of a star, in the crucible of a supernova. That's it. Those are the only 2 kitchens in the universe that can cook a diamond. Every single diamond you've ever seen came from one of those 2 places. Except this one. Carbon isotope testing shows it's never been deeper than a few hundred feet underground, nowhere near the pressure needed. And the hydrogen trapped inside it. It matches the chemistry of outer space. Not our outer space. A place with element ratios we've literally never seen before. The silent panic in the scientific community. By 2009, pieces of the stone have been sent, very quietly, to 5 labs around the world. MIT. Max Planck Institute. Tokyo University. Every single lab comes back. Horizontal/vertical 6 to 8 at 6/6 base, Shotzi vibe. ADS sends multiplier, low zoom 0.85, high zoom 1.00. Dead zone, left/right min 2 to 5, drift free, max 99. Response curve, dynamic. Omni movement, sprint assist on, mantle assist auto, slide/dive behavior, hybrid. Wall jump, on, chain M for 180s. Pro tip, training course 20 minutes daily, trackbots, Omni slide corners. Xbox app, NZ region for early cues if needed, loadout 1, MXR 17, beta meta AR, laser to 50M. Attachments, ported comp, recoil, reinforced barrel, velocity, vertical foregrip, control, fast mag, swaps, slate reflector, Xbox clear sights. Overclock, lethal payload number 1, headshot splash. Perks, dexterity, omni speed, gung-ho, ADS fire, cold-blooded, UAVs. Field, trophy system. Lethal, frag, tac, stim. Wild card, perk greed. Y. Shreds hardpoint hills, pre-aim ridges, slide cancel bursts. Copy code if shared, MXR, DOM7, loadout 2, Raiden 45K, fastest TTK CQC post-patch. Suppressor, ghost, long barrel, range, laser sight. If the owner's heartbeat stops for more than 10 minutes. What happens when you hold it? Here's where it gets uncomfortable. 5 people have held the uncut stone with bare hands. All 5 independently report the exact same sequence. First 30 seconds, feels warm, almost alive. Minute 2, sudden metallic taste in the mouth, like licking a battery. Minute 5, overwhelming certainty that you are being watched by something that isn't in the room. One geologist in Brazil, Dr. Renata Silva, kept the stone for 9 minutes. She refused to speak for 3 days afterward. When she finally did, she only said one sentence: "It knows we're carbon-based." She resigned the next week and moved to a monastery in Portugal. No phone, no internet, gone. The forbidden paper in 2021, an unpublished 40-page paper, starts circulating on private physics forums. It's written by 2 anonymous authors using the pseudonyms Enki and Enlil. The paper claims the diamond isn't just extraterrestrial. It's extra-universal. Meaning it formed in a universe with different physical constants than ours. According to the math, the only way something like this can cross into our reality is if a microscopic black hole, a quantum tunnel, opened long enough to spit it out, then collapsed. The authors end the paper with a warning: continued observation may force the tunnel to reopen permanently. The file gets taken down everywhere within hours. But screenshots live forever. The 2024 incident last year, a YouTuber with 8 million subscribers, you've probably heard of him, claims he was offered 10 minutes alone with the stone for $2 million. He turns it down, but leaks the offer. Within 48 hours his channel is demonetized for violating community guidelines. No specific video. The entire channel. He posts a single community note that just says they weren't kidding about the light thing. Then he deletes everything and disappears. His last known location ping was a prepaid phone in Argentina, the southernmost city on Earth. So here's what keeps scientists up at night. If this diamond really came through a temporary rip in spacetime, then it's proof that our universe isn't sealed. Things can get in. And if something the size of a diamond can cross over, what happens when something bigger decides to follow? Some theorists quietly call it the beacon hypothesis, the idea that the diamond isn't just a rock. It's a signal. A 316-carat flare fired into forever ago from a place that figured out how to phone home, and we just picked up. Right now, as you're watching this, that diamond is still sitting in its vault. No light. No cameras pointed directly at it. Just darkness, and whatever is looking back. Some things in this universe were never meant to be found. Some doors were meant to stay closed. And some diamonds should have stayed impossible. If you ever get the chance to see it, run. Because once it sees you, it already knows you're made of the same stuff it came here to find. Tell me in the comments, would you hold it if they offered you 10 minutes alone with a diamond that should not exist? End screen. Call to action: like if you'd run. Subscribe if you'd touch it.